Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for November 19th to December 3rd. And during this period, we have negative height anomalies over north central Canada, along with and this favors a trough down into the Great Lakes. And we'll see that as we get going in the period coming to the 23rd. Here's a little bit of troughing here. We also have a ridge here of the Northeast Pacific, and we have above normal heights over the east. So this is how we're forecasting the pattern look like. Models in pretty good agreement. And during this period, oops, wrong map. During this period, we will have several Pacific systems that will move in into the west. Here's one. And then this system, oops, comes into the southern plains, and then we'll have energy will interact with a front from the central plains to the Great Lakes right here, and this will cause precipitation here, snow and rain and ice and all kinds of things. It remains warm in the east, and we'll have a temperature anomalies of about 15-20 degrees from the southwest plains to Great Lakes region. We're going to look at the period for November 24th to the 28th. The Northeast Pacific Ridge will build into the west, pushing the western trough into the center of the nation with the ridge over the northeast. So we'll take a look at that. So this is what I'm talking about. See how the trough comes into the middle here. We still have above normal heights, a ridge over the northeast. And it models in pretty good agreement. Here's our upper low here. Look at this. This is fairly deep trough that will be coming into the west. So I'm forecasting for this forecast period. I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the west coast and the northwest. Anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees are expected. Above normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the nation, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Below normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now as we get to the end of the period, this is for November 29th through December 3rd. Look at these positive height anomalies. They're very strong here. Most of the models showing some kind of positive height anomalies there, weaker maybe, except for the NAEFS, which has a ridge trough configuration. This could happen, but I think I'm leaning towards more of this configuration, and that might develop after this forecast period, because looking at what's going on in Asia, heights remain above normal here. That favors a ridge in the east, but eventually I think this will have below normal heights developing here. Also the MJO will be going into phase 2. Let's see how that develops. It might happen later on in December, but for now that's what we're expecting. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for portions of the west, with the anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures are forecast from the plains to the east. Now that's why I'm going with this map. It'd be closer to normal here along the east coast. The warmth will be kept back here because we'll have a system down across the southern states to allow some cooler temperatures. So for now, it'll be closer to normal along the east coast. So I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal across this region here. And for precipitation, calling for a little change in the precipitation anomalies from the previous period. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 19th through December 3rd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.